So welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular interior over here. So let's continue it. I'll just go to the top view and I'll just take a line over here. I'll just create a line in this way. So I'll just shuffle this line a bit up over here. I'll go into this, select this spline, and we have one option that is known as outline. I can slightly give a bit of outline over here. So we'll just assign one outline in this way. So once you have assigned this outline, I can just go over here and let's give an extrude modifier. So I'll just assign one extrude modifier over here. I'll just slightly drag this a bit down. So I'll just shuffle this a bit down over here. So over here now, I'll again go to the top view and I'll just take a box over here and slightly just drag it onto the top in this way. Now let's again take one more box. I'll just activate the auto grid over here. So let's just take one more box over here. So I'll just push it a bit inside in this way, and let's just reduce its height a bit. So convert to editable poly, select the polygons. I'll just put a loop over here and if needed I can slightly shuffle it a bit in this way. So let's select this polygon and let's extrude it a bit out over here in this way. So that can be done from our side. Now over here, let's go over here, convert to poly, and let's put a cylinder over here. So let's go into this. Let's create this lights over here. Slightly I'll increase its height a bit. Go again to the top view and let's duplicate it slightly. Select this, shuffle it over here, select this, so just duplicate that. So I can just keep this lights at some distance. That's it. All right. So again I'll save the file once. Now we can create such kind of chair over here. So I can just take a box over here So I can just take a box in this way. So convert to poly, select this polygons in this way, slightly push this up. So I am using a box over here. So select this edge, extrude a bit up over here. I'll scale it, select this and this, drag it a bit down, select this, push it a bit out, push this a bit out in this way. Select this, let's go into this and let's give a shell modifier. So I can slightly assign a shell modifier over here. I can just go into this, convert to poly. I can we can select this, push it a bit down in this way. Again I'll put some loops here, here, and I can put some loops here and here. So let's go to the top view, press R and let's select this, scale it from the top. Now what I can do over here is like, now again go over here and you can assign a turbo smooth over here. So once you assign this, it's looking very flat a bit. So what I can do is, if you want, you can assign one more shell over here. So you can just slightly make it more thicker. Let's see how it looks like after you give two shell. Okay, looks better. All right, now I'll go into this. Now what I can do is, let's again take one more swift loop, just select this, slightly we can adjust it. If you want, you can slightly give a curve. So just push it a bit out. And let's give turbo smooth again. Yeah, this looks much better. So again I'll go over here, I'll just end isolate this. So we'll again select this, drag it up. So we can just go over here and create the support of it for the chair. So I'll go into this, enable in viewport, make it as rectangular, slightly increase its width, select the vertices over here, and I'll slightly give a bit of fillet to it in this way. So convert to poly, select the vertices, we can just resize it, select this whole thing, and let's give a bit of chamfer to it, slight chamfer, not much. Alright, so again I'll go to the top view, slightly push this out, affect pivot only, and slightly rotate it, push it a bit out, and mirror it, copy it in y-axis, and again I'll mirror it, copy it in x-axis. So I can just slightly, we can push it a bit inside. So let's just resize it, and I'll just drag it down over here. So scale it, scale a bit more, push it up. So I'll just slightly scale it in this way. It's looking very big. Alright, now looks better. Push it a bit inside. Alright, so I'll just select this whole thing, and let's just assign it one color. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.